Okay, so we're going to calculate the average growth rate per year from 83 to 86. And then we're going to use interpolation to estimate number of students enrolled in French in 1985. Okay, so 1983, there were, oh, this is in thousands. So 128.2 thousand, which is 128,200. And then 1986 are 121,000, right? So what we actually do is funny is you go 121 and then subtract 128.2 because there was a decrease. See that? A negative number, decrease of 7.2 thousand students enrolled in French in the US, right? Now, how many years from 83 to 86?
That's 2 years in between that.
Right, that's 3 years, right? So 19, and I'll just...
Oh, 3 years.
Yeah, 1983, so that's 3 years, right? So I'm going to take my negative 7.2 and divide by 3. You can see that okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
So on average, from 83 to 86, the enrollment decreased by 2,400, right? Or 2.4 thousand, right? Okay. So that's the average growth rate, and it said this is a negative number as a little reminder. So it's negative 2.4. Okay. And then use interpolation to estimate the number of students enrolled in French in 1985. Okay, 85. So 85 is between 83 and 86, right? So whatever number we come up with, it should be between 128 and 121, you know. And I don't know what it is. I mean, it could have been more, but like that's it. We're just estimating, right? With the data we're given, we're making up an estimate, right? Mm-hmm. So what we're going to do is say, okay, look, in 83 there was this many. That's 128.2 million, right? Or thousand, sorry. And you know, by 84 you would subtract 2.4 thousand. And by 85 you'd subtract another 2.4 thousand. So you can go minus 2.4, you know, times 2, right? Right? Because the enrollment would have decreased by 2.4 thousand times 2, right? Mm-hmm. Or 4,800, right? Right. And so, I mean, I could write this out like this. I could go 128,200, you know, subtract 4,800. So that's another way of doing it. Oh, Desmos doesn't like my comments. Why not? Comments are cool. Anyway, so I could do that minus that. Now we got 123,400, right? Which is what this is, 123.4 thousand, right? So that is question 6. Does that make sense?
Yeah.